So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So guys, let's get into today's video. So guys, today I'll unbox the all new iPhone 12 mini blue color. So let's begin. This is the invent package, and let me take out the phones. One is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 512GB gold. If you want to watch the unboxing of this iPhone 12 Pro Max, 512GB, so link is in the description below. So let's keep it aside, and now let's check out the iPhone 12 mini, the real product, for our unboxing. So here is the box. As you can check out, blue color box, and let me read it out for you. Includes iPhone 12 mini and USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter and headphones sold separately. Supports GCM, UMTS, LTE and 5G. And so this is the package, and this is the 5G phone. So charger and wire, the adapter and wire is not included in this. You have to buy it separately, and I also bought that. So let me show you the accessories that I bought with this. This is the 20-watt power adapter. You have to buy it separately, and the price is rupees 1900. And let me take it out, the MagSafe charger, and here is the MagSafe charger, the wireless charger for iPhone, and you have to buy it separately too. And it supports USB Type-C, and the price is 4500 rupees INR. So let's keep it back. This is the box. Let me take out both the phones, the top model and the base model. And here is the iPhone 12 mini, blue color 128GB variant, and here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, golden color 512GB variant. If you want to watch the comparison between both the phones, the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it will be out soon. And the detailed review of this phone and PUBG test, everything will be out soon. Camera test and 5G versus 4G speed test. And is it worth to buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the iPhone 12 mini? I'll tell you everything, that what is the difference and which one should you buy. So let's begin with the unboxing. iPhone 12 Pro Max, golden color 512GB. This one is the base variant and this one is the top variant. And as you can see the sizes of the box, this is too small as compared to this. Show you the comparison between the iPhone 12 mini box and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the mobile. So as you can see, the size of the box of this mini is almost as same as the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and actually the iPhone 12 Pro Max is bigger than the mini box. So just think how small the phone will be. So let's begin with the unboxing. Take the phone and let's begin with the unboxing, and I am removing the seal, as you can see. So the seal is removed. Let me throw it away. And the price is 74,900 INR. Let's open the box. I hope the angle is so. And here is the phone. So let's keep this empty box aside. Now let's take out the phone, and this is just like a piece of, okay, so let's keep it aside. Let me keep it here. And here is the Type-C cable, and here is the design by Apple in California. One sticker is there. Let me show you that also. Let me take it out, and here is the sticker. So before they gave 2 stickers, so now they are saving the money in stickers also. Let me keep it aside. And so these were the box content, and this is some mini manual designed by Apple in California. Let's keep this thing aside. Here is the phone, as you can see. So tiny and cute phone, blue color. It has a dual camera, and let's remove the seal. Okay, let's remove the seal, and here is the seal. We'll keep this thing aside. Now let's check out the phone. This is the phone, and so let me tell you what changes iPhone made in the 12 mini, the iPhone 12 series, and they made it thicker, just like the OG iPhone, the old iPhones, and it is just as same as the iPhone 5s, the size, as you can see, iPhone 7 size. Very cute tiny phone. If you are looking for a small phone, you can buy this, like if your hands are small. If you want to buy it for a toddler, then this is the best. Let me compare the size with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me compare the size. Let me align it Okay, this is the size. As you can see, from my point of view, I like the golden color more than the blue one. As you can see, let me align the phone, and you can see the sizes. iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the iPhone 12 mini. So the everything is same, just the size is small, and the cameras, it got 3 cameras and we got 2 cameras. So it is, and guys, the biggest change is it got OLED display, and that's best for you. So let's keep this thing aside and let me boot up the phone. Here is the device, the iPhone 12 mini blue 128GB variant. Let me show you. Here are the volume rockers, silent and silent button, power button, the lightning port, speakers. It doesn't get the telephoto lens and no radar sensor. And so let's boot it up now without wasting any further time. It's booting up. Till then, let me show you the complete look of the phone. This feels just like the old iPhones. Hello, okay. Swipe up to open. English, India. Quick start, set up manually. Continue. We'll skip the network. No option to skip, okay. Let me enter the password.
Choose a password, we'll use this now and use anyway. Okay, again. This mode is amazing. Okay, it's taking some time. Apps and data restored. Don't transfer, we'll do it later. Apple ID.
Okay.
Continue. Set up data and settings. Set up in data and settings. Don't share. Continue. Dark, light. Standard, zoom, standard. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. And the phone is booted up. So, the smoothness is just like the iPhone as usual. Not now. Okay.
So let me show you the storage. So the storage capacity is 128GB. Available is 113.22GB. So let's see what's more in there. And on the camera, the detailed camera test will be out soon. So right now I am showing just like that. Let me zoom in. Okay, full zoom 5x. Let's see what's more in there. This is the wide angle and the video. This is the wide angle again. Let me full zoom in 3x. Okay, let's quickly click a photo in there, full zoom. Okay, the photo is being shown in your screen right now. So tell me in the comment section, is the photo good or bad? So full test, camera test will be out soon, and let me show you and compare with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the mini and this is the 12 Pro Max. Is the kit of the 12 Pro Max, and if your hands are big, don't go for this one. Go for the iPhone 12 only or the 12 Pro. If your budget is low, then go for the 12. Don't go for this, because when you do typing, then it gives you a lot of problems. So as you can see the sizes, let me open this one.
So guys, as you can see here, the sizes of the mini and the Pro Max. So as you can see, this have got the matte finish here. This has the glossy finish, a little decent finish here, both the phones. So much difference. Let me open this thing here. Okay. Let me turn off the dark mode. Both the phones, the difference, the real difference is here. As you can see, the keypad on this phone versus the keypad on this phone. And also I will show you how to type like here. As you can see. Here you can see the keyboard here. A very big keyboard here. As you can see, you will have some difficulty typing here if you have big hands. For me, it was the best of both the phone here. It got the good big size keyboard. It got the small keyboard, like if you want to use one-handed or a secondary phone. And if your hands are big and your budget is low, still you don't go for this phone, because you will get disrupted while using this keyboard. Like if you can see 200 use here, and in the iPhone Pro Max I will show you 200 use. It's comfortable. So if you want a secondary phone with this phone, with the Pro Max, so it's a good deal here. Small phone for one-hand use, like if you are sometimes driving and you got a lot of text. First of all, it's not recommended, but still on the red lights and that, when you have to do this with one hand like this here, very easy. Otherwise you can go like this It's very easy to use as a secondary phone. But if your budget is low, then still don't go for this phone. For those people whose hands are smaller, never ever go for this phone if your hands are bigger or you want a secondary phone, because this thing will definitely be a problem for you. Otherwise, if size is perfect for you, then this phone is great. You can get more than 2 for price of 1 this. So why to spend more if you want this size? You get everything in here. LiDAR sensor, I don't think is of much use, and 2.5x is awesome, but still you get great decent camera setup here. Otherwise, a great phone with A14 chip. Everything you get here with flagship level, so why to spend more?
Guys, this was the iPhone 12 mini and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So thanks for watching. Hit the bell.